What up, B-Sense Tube? Welcome back to the BMW project. Today I'm doing some basic maintenance. Got a fuel filter, and I also got some junkyard fuel lines. These ones I just took off. They're super rusty, and they actually look alright, but I feel like changing them anyways because I don't like looking at them when I'm under the car. So we're going to do that. I also got the M50 manifold, but I think we're going to wait on that for a while. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I hope you guys can see this because I can't get the car higher than this. The first thing you're going to want to do to get to the filter is take this metal plate off. It's kind of like a guard that protects it. There's a bunch of 8mm bolts, so this just comes right off. That exposes the filter, which is going to go right here. That's the new one. And there's really just a couple ties right here, so we'll take that one off, and then there's one on the other side. We're going to put a pan underneath it, and we're also going to take the fuel lines off, just because the ends on the rear end of the car are kind of rusty, so I got some for pretty cheap at the junkyard. So we'll pull these off and try not to spill too much gas on ourselves, and swap the filter out. There's also like kind of a little mount here. It looks like a 10 or a 13 to take that off, so we'll get right to it. Alright, so we got our little coolant jug right under here. We're going to take the bracket off first. 10mm. I'll pop this hose off first, get my pan underneath it. Oh, there we go, there's gas, nice. Alright, so we're gonna a little bit of pressure in there. Just gonna take it off slowly. Now we're gonna go for the front one. Quite a bit of fuel coming out of the filter here. Sorry for the bad angles. I'm just gonna set that guy in there. Alright, now I'm gonna grab the old one and I'm gonna make sure it's pointed in the right direction. There should be, ow, motherfucker. Should be an arrow or something. So just like on this one, same thing. So you see there's arrows pointing to the front of the car. So that's what we want to have pointing to the front of the car. So I'm just gonna only hook this side up for now because I'm gonna change the fuel lines. But if you're just replacing the filter, this is where the video is gonna end for you. Just gonna hook this guy back on, tighten everything up. So now we're gonna do the fuel lines. But what we're gonna do is there's clips every so often. Just gonna take a Phillips head and undo all those. And then the back side of the two, I don't know if you can see that. The back side of the two fuel lines are right there, so you can see how rusty those are. That's why I want to replace those. So we're gonna take them off on that side and then come all the way to the front of the car. And we're also gonna take that one off, and I can't frickin' see anything. And then we're also gonna take that one off back there, and we'll swap them out. Just the Phillips head. I don't know if you can see that one. There we go. I'm going to disconnect this line. Alright, so I think we're gonna have to unhook these lines here. So kind of what we do is just kind of pull down on these, and they'll start to come out like that. Be a bitch to edit this. Alright, come on. Alright, there we go. We got plenty of gas coming out. Wonderful. Always fun. Wonderful, wonderful. Alright. I'm gonna let that drain a little bit so I don't have to mess with it. Now we're gonna come down here. Alright, so we got these off. We'll put our catch underneath. Alright, so we got everything back on and we got the car started up. It's gonna take a few times. You want to prime the pump, and it's gonna take a few times to turn over. We're gonna check for leaks now. Alright, so everything looks good. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment if you have any questions, and stay tuned for the next video.